They're off. And the Met Mile and Anchor Down comes out running. Marking on the outside's got some early speed too. Amise Flatter is away running in third. And coming through on the inside is Noble Bird to show some early speed. And then comes Stanford, Calculator on the outside. Tamar Coos frosted down toward the rail. Upstart is next, and Blofeld is at the back of the field as they race up the backstretch. The leader is Noble Bird through a 22 and 3 opening quarter mile. Anchor Down 3/4 of a length behind and well off the rail. And in between horses, Marking is going to be sent on through on the inside now of Anchor Down and up into second. After that, running in fourth is Stanford, who's now 2.5 lengths off the lead, moving for the turn. Then Amise Flatter, Tamar Coos, and Frosted down on the inside. Calculator, Upstart, and Blofeld at the back of 45 and 1/2 mile. Around the far turn, Noble Bird, Anchored Down on the far outside, and Marking between them. And Frosted is right in behind that trio. Frosted is fourth with Stanford to his outside as they make their way toward the top of the stretch. Then it's Tamar Coos, Upstart, and Blofeld. Anchor Down in front as they come to the top of the stretch. It is Anchor Down joined on the outside by Frosted, and Frosted has gone on by and he has exploded. He is absolutely blowing his competition away. Oh my goodness, look at Frosted today. Frosted's 10 in front. Frosted is absolutely rumped in the Met Mile. He was wrapped up at a final time of 1 minute 32.73 seconds. Anchor Down, Upstart, Amise Flatter, they were a mile behind him.